CMOS recap, because it seems like y'all lack understanding, so I'm gonna break it down one more time for y'all so y'all can get it. That last video was 60 seconds. Now I'm giving y'all 3 minutes. Let's see if y'all get it. So in a lot of your comments, a lot of y'all were saying that the water is up on the face of the earth and isn't the sea on the face of the earth. There's a lot of those comments. I'm gonna show y'all that your lack of understanding, and if y'all brought that understanding to a scholar, see, I'm not a scholar, you know what I'm saying? I've even got sense than some scholars, but with that being said, if y'all brought that to a scholar, y'all will be laughed at. Let me show you why with one chapter. I'm going to show you that your lack of knowledge with one chapter. Watch this. Genesis chapter 1 verses 2. And the earth was without form and void, and darkness was upon the face of the deep, and the Spirit of God moved upon the face of the waters. What does that say right there? That says face of the waters, right? So that shows you that the water has a face, a top, you know, the top of it. Yeah. Holy Bible. Let's get it. Y'all can get your shirts, by the way. Just put your orders in. Anyway, let's carry on. Now I'm going to show you separation. Genesis chapter 1 verses 7. And God made the firmament and divided the waters which were under the firmament from the waters which were above the firmament. And it was so. The waters above the firmament is that thing you call the blue sky. That's not sky. That's a dome holding up water. That's water above it. That's the reason why it looks just like our ocean, because that's water up there and and the water down here. Separation. So that means that what God is separating now, the firmament and the waters, two separate things. Watch this. Genesis chapter 1 verses 29. And God said, behold, I have given you every herb bearing seed which is upon the face of all the earth. What does that say? The face of the earth. So there's a face of the water, the waters, or the water, right? And then there's a face of the earth. And then there's a firmament, and they're all separated, but together they become one, and we call it what? Or should I say, the so-called Westerners call it the earth or the world, right? No, they're all separate. The dome's separate, the waters are separate, and so is the earth. They're all separated. The earth has a face, the water has a face. Yeah, and before there was earth, there was water. So that shows you your lack of knowledge. So when it says that you're not supposed to eat anything, right, underneath the water, yeah, that's a living thing, right, without fins or scales. And you can only eat every herb bearing seed upon the face of the earth. That means CMOS is not supposed to be drunk. You're not supposed to drink that shit. So to all these bullshit comments, y'all need to go take a seat. All this foolishness.